I knew you would get us into trouble. Now come this way, towards the water jet. The way you scared those poor people, I wonder who they were.
There. Now. Come on. We are close to the house now. My heart beats faster, Tota. I can almost feel her presence. Huh? What's the sound?
I don't know, sounds like 100 hippos with indigestion.
Yes, yes. It does sound as if somebody's in trouble. It could be her. Let's go. Let's go and check it out.
Are you crazy? You're always attracted to trouble. Let me fly and look into all the windows and find her room. You wait here.
Okay. You find her window. I'll check what's going on here.
But.
Go on now. There's very little time.
Raj, I found it. She's right there in her room. It's the window right above this one on the first floor.
Oh, where is she? Did you see her? How do I get up there? I'll climb the pipe from here.
You be careful now. You don't want the family to find you peeping at the young girl's window, do you?
Where am I? Who am I? What was that?
Okay, let's get out of here now. Wait,
What?
the sound has stopped. Things seem quiet and peaceful now. Why not give it a last try?
It's a trick. Don't you understand? The ghosts are quiet now so that they can pounce on you as soon as you go near the house again. I think these people are crazy. They have kept a bunch of ghosts to guard their house. I tell you, the sleeping chowkidar must also be a ghost in disguise. Let's get out of here while we're still alive. Let's go! Let's go!
Don't be silly. There are no such things as ghosts. The house looks too full of loot to turn away from. Come on, one last try.
के झोंकों से कलियां खिल उठे। कोई हो नाज़नी ऐसी जिसके होठों के लाली पे पूरब सांस ले। कोई हो एक परी ऐसी जिसके जुल्फों के झोंकों से कलियां खिल उठे। कोई हो नाज़नी ऐसी जिसके होठों के लाली पे पूरब सांस ले। कोई हो जिसे देख के ये दिल पड़ जाए उलझन में, क्या कहें क्या ना कहें। कोई हो के जो
She's so beautiful.
ख्वाबों को और शर्मा के।
Who's it? Who's in the lawns? Look out, guards! Look who's in the lawns! Where is Nayantara? Send somebody to take care of her. I heard a scream. It had to be her voice.
Where had you been? I was waiting in the house for you. Out catching robbers, were you? Good job, my son.
What a brave lad. 2 against 1. He must be really strong.
The ghosts, where are they? Please take us away from here. Let's go to jail where there are no ghosts.
I knew he would be the right choice for our daughter. A boy who can fight 2 stout robbers at one time can surely take care of our daughter very well.
Come on now, let's go inside. Give the boy something to eat and drink. We have much to do now, all the wedding arrangements and everything.
Come on now, everybody. Come on, let's go inside now.
गलती नहीं है, कई साल पुरानी है, मेरी नहीं है, मेरे नानी की कहानी है। गलती नहीं है, कई साल पुरानी है, मेरी नहीं है, मेरे नानी की कहानी है। नानी को देखने जो गए थे नाना ना ना नशाना ना 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 ना, जिन्हें पहना कुर्ता जालीदार था, सर पे भी कोल्हापुरी फेटा सवार था। माशाल्लाह होठों ने था मुझको संभाला, ला 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 ला, जिनके पहरे में थी नानी शर्माई सी, होठों की लाली जैसे गालों तक आई सी। ऐसे में सामने जो बैठे मेरे नाना ना ना नशाना ना 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 ना, जी को बोला जो नाना जी के नाना जी ने, नाना घबराना बेटे लड़की के सामने, पूछो पूछना जो कुछ खुला मुखला, ला 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 के जो रखे चाय के प्याले मेरे नानी ने, कुछ भी न सोचा उस पगली दीवानी ने, नजरों का तीर ऐसे नाना जी को मारा, रारी रारी राम पारा राम पारा रारी राम ही बचा था मेरे बेचारे नाना को, कुछ न बचा था सुनने को सुनाने को। नाना ने वाली बड़ी है ये गुड़िया मेरी, कल जो बनेगी शोभा आंगन की तेरी। फूलों सा सम्मान नन्ना कभी सताना, ताना 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 दीम ताना नाना। तेरे नानी के डैडी तो हुए बड़े इमोशनल, रोना धोना तो घर में है ट्रेडिशनल। डैडी को देखा तो नानी को भी आया रोना, रोना ना ना नानी जी मेरी कब से नाना जी की रानी है, कल की नहीं है कई सालों की कहानी है। नानी को देखने जो गए थे नाना ना ना जिन्हें पहना कुर्ता जालीदार था, सर पे भी कोल्हापुरी पेटा सवार था। माशाल्लाह हो तो ने था मुझको को संभाला, ला 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 ला।
Thank you.